Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a digital alarm clock with a dynamic RGB display. It's the C010, and by Semitech, I guess. And oh, Samshow. It says Semitech licensed, but it's by Samshow. So let's check out what we get in here. So box is empty, and we have a wire for it. So it looks like it can work off of USB here. So we have a little USB to USB-C wire. It comes with the little nugget thing, which is kind of nice, so that's good. And I'll plug that in here in a second. Let's open this up. Here we go. So there we go. So now we have the wire, and then here is the clock. So let's look at this clock and see how it works. So here, this is what it looks like on the back here. It looks like it has the ability to has a couple of batteries in there. I'm guessing that's to keep the time when we turn it off. We have the alarm volume down here. We have the power input, and then I'll plug it in here. And then on the top, we have our snooze light. I guess this is the volume setting, daylight savings time, alarm settings in like 12, 24 hours. So here we go. So this is it right now. We have it right there. So this, I'll show you guys how it looks, and we'll kind of look at show you the instructions if you need them here. There we go. So if you need them, this is them here. Oops. Here we go. So let's see. Let's just do a quick little play with this thing here. Sorry, I'll try to. The sun is coming in that way, but try not to do it. But let's see. What do we got here? We have some buttons on the side here. We have dimmer here. So if we do that, do we see it dimming? The bottom light. Ah, there's a little light down there, so that's the dimming for that. And then we have the main light here. That's kind of cool. And then we can take off this little one here. There we go. And that's what it looks like. Really looks really cool. So let me see here. How do we set this stuff here? I think it's off by a day. Yeah, it's the 27th now. So let's see. How do we set the time? And it has Bluetooth. We can do Bluetooth and connect to it that way. So that's kind of cool that we can connect to it on our phone to do Bluetooth. Where is that? Let me see. Where is there a Bluetooth button? Right here, the plus button. I'm going to go get my iPad and see if we can connect to it from that. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my iPad, and now I am connecting it to the CO10 alarm clock. And so it should be connected now. And hopefully it will start changing the time. So let's see. So when it says, let me see, are we connected now? CO2, C10 alarm clock. Let's see, how do we connect? Icon will continue to flash for 5 minutes. You can hold and press the plus button to enable the Bluetooth. So let's see if I hold. Oh, okay, so here it's flashing there. So now I can connect to it. Let's see. And now I am connected. Okay, so let's see. So now that I'm connected, what do I need to do? After connection setting, this alarm clock with a memory battery installed will keep the current time moving. I don't know, let's see. Oh, it changed. So there we go. Now it says the time is 2:21 and February 27th. So that's pretty cool. So you just connect it to Bluetooth and it'll set the clock for you. Way cool. Now I don't have to do it myself. And I can change for the songs. That's not a very happy song. Well, so you have your choices of a bunch of sounds too. So how cool is that? 222, cool time. Okay, so yeah, so this setup's super easy. So I did that, I connected it to the Bluetooth like it said in the instructions. And just by connecting it, it does that. I don't have to do any apps or anything like that. I think it's already disconnected at this point. Yep, it's already disconnected. So it did what it needed to do to connect, and it works. Awesome, thumbs up on this awesome clock, and it's so cool. I like all the colors and stuff. It looks like it's changing colors as we go. So very neat. Pick up one of these Samshow alarm clock.